Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring Flutter, Firebase CLI, and platform toolchains are ready. Once done, create a Firebase project and register each app using exact package ID. This gives you Google services, JSON and Google Service Info. Plist. Make sure to place those files into Android/app and iOS/runner respectively, because Firebase initialization reads them at build time. After that, add Firebase Core and Firebase Analytics packages to PubSpec. YAML, run Flutter pubget, and prepare to initialize Firebase in code so Analytics can begin collecting events. You will now initialize Firebase in your app entry point and wire Analytics into your UI flow. First, await Firebase. Initialize app in main and then obtain Firebase Analytics. Instance. Once obtained, log events with log event, name, parameters for custom metrics, and use predefined methods like log login or set user ID to improve reporting. Make sure to await critical logging where order matters, and debounce high-frequency events to avoid throttling. Also set user properties to segment audiences, because that helps you analyze behavior across cohorts. You finish by testing and preparing for release. Enable debug mode on a device to stream events to debug view immediately. This confirms your init and event calls work. Once satisfied, ensure Analytics collection is enabled for release and build with proper flavors. Also add necessary ProGuard/R8 rules for Android. If events don't appear, check initialization order, presence of Google Services files, correct package IDs, and that Analytics collection isn't disabled. These are the most common causes and usually resolve missing data quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.